Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida noted public with loan signing agent certification, your construction trained realtor. And it's so important to understand construction throughout the process. I can't stress that enough, and I stress it in every single video because let's face it, you never want to be the victim of a house that's poorly built. And all homes have issues and all homes have defects. It just really depends on if you want to spend money out of your pocket to fix it after you close. Because let's face it, when you own a house, those responsibilities are going to be on you at some point in the future, okay? So that's why it's so important. Now, the homes over here at Cedar Crossings in Haines City from KB, I see that they're being built with siding and stucco, and I believe they're using zip systems as well. So a very complicated and complex system that if you don't understand it, your home can have a lot of issues. Now, homes are built like this pretty much everywhere these days in Florida, where you see siding and stucco and typically zip systems or house wrap underneath, whether it's Tyvek or Typar or one of the cheaper brands. But typically, that's what you see. So it's so important to have an understanding of that throughout the process. So this house is the Plan 2107, and I think I might have this in a Davenport community from a while ago, a couple of years ago. It's possible. Okay, so when you first walk inside, it feels spacious, much like the other house, the 2566. It doesn't feel very long, but it feels very wide. It feels spacious. And let's see, coat closet, and a big one at that too. Yeah, I do think I have some videos of this house. Now, one of the things to understand about KB is that the house that you see in this video is typically upgraded, and you could upgrade the floor plan. So typically the homes start off looking pretty cheap, but then as you start adding things like the lanai, or you're adding an extended lanai, or you're doing something with a room, or whatever it might be, that's when it all starts to add up. But definitely a very, very, very big kitchen. Lots of floor space. Here we have a half bath, and here's your laundry room, which is going to go out to the garage. See, you got a section for storage over there. Two-car garage, so you got a big entryway. So went right into a bedroom. I was kind of looking at the furniture. I kind of got caught up on this being a little bit crooked. Does this? Oh yeah. That's an easy one. I have a strange eye for things. I guess you could say attention to detail. But I guess that's what helps me help my customers best when spotting issues and defects. So this is a nice sized bedroom. You can see they set this up as a study. Huge master bedroom, as you can see. Very large master bedroom. And a large bathroom too as well. It's a very interesting house because for the square footage you wouldn't expect it to feel this spacious. Here's a walk-in closet. Again, it's a big closet.